my channel and welcome to today's video. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. So as you know from the title, today's video is all about Eid. Eid is around the corner and I just thought that I should just create a good makeup look for this Eid festival, guys. And before going to the actual tutorial, I just like to wish every one of you a very happy Eid. Just take care of yourself and always be happy. So this is basically a green smoky eye look paired with a nude lip. I have paired it with a warm nude lip, and I think that this will just look very nice and gorgeous during the Eid festival. So if you want to know my tutorial, then please continue watching. I have already done my eyebrows and I have primed my lids with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. I will do my eyes at first, and for this I am taking my favorite the JUVIU'S mini masquerade palette, which I got from an INSTASTORE named @BEUTIES makeup store. And at first I am taking the shade Barkina, which is a cool tone brown shade, in a crease brush and put it all over my crease. Next I will take the shade Zulu, which is a rusty brown shade, and put it again into my crease. Now I am taking the shade Fulani, which is a dark brown shade, in a small crease brush and put it into the outer V of my eyes. Now I am taking a concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You have seen this a lot, and I'm taking a flat shader brush. I will do a kind of cut crease, guys. You can see it. So I am putting it on my lid. Actually, I am just cutting my crease half away, doing a half cut crease, and I am just packing on the concealer on my lid. On top of that, I will just apply this gorgeous beautiful green shade, guys. This is the shade Mali. I'm just spraying a little bit of fixer and putting the colors all over my lid. This will actually give you the maximum amount of pigmentation. Now I'm again taking the shade Zulu and blend the edges so that there will be no harsh edges. And now I'm moving to my Studio West palette and taking the black shade, and in a small crease brush I am just applying it into my outer V to create a little bit of smokiness. Now I am taking this beautiful golden shade, which is known as Casablanca, from that palette and putting it into the the inner 1/3 of my eye. This will just create a gradient. For the lower lash line, I am using the shade Barkina followed by the shade Zulu and the shade green at the center and the golden into my inner corners. I am also putting that black into the outer corner of my eyes to create a smoky look, and you can see I have done my eyeliner. I had a pair of false eyelash, which is a PAC eyelash number 53, and now I will do my face makeup. And for the face makeup, I have mixed the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter with my L'Oreal Pro Matte foundation to get a glowy base, and I am blending it with the makeup sponge. For the concealer, I am using again my trusty Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I will put the concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. Again, blend it nicely. For contouring, I am using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Kit, you can see, and I will just contour my face. For the blush, I am using these two peachy shades from the Makeup Revolution blush palette in the shade Blush Goddess. For the highlighter, again I am using my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I am using my favorite highlighter brush, and I am putting the highlighters on the highest points of my face. Now for the lips, I am using the PAC Retro Matte Gloss in the shade 08. This is really a very nice warm nude, guys. You just need to try it. And this will look very nice with this green smoky eye. Now to fix everything, I am using the Forest Essential Rose Water Mist and I am putting it all over my face. And you can see this is the finished look. This is a finished look, guys. I hope you liked it, and I have paired it with this earrings and a jhumar, and I think that this look really goes nice with this outfit. You can just pair it with other outfits as well, and if you just like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And how do you like this look, guys? Please do let me know. And please hit on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and press on the notification bell to get updates about my videos. That's all for today. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Be happy, stay healthy. Bye.